The Ministry of Science and Technology made significant strides this past year. Developing research projects and installing Wi-Fi technology in buses are just two. Let's take a look back at the year.
Dialing is now in effect for all local calls. Please remember to dial the area code 876 before the 7-digit number you are calling.
10-digit dialing was made mandatory this past year, along with the addition of a new area code 658, which comes on stream in another few years. Up to 100 commuters who use JUTC buses now have access to free Wi-Fi on board. This was made possible through a partnership between the government and Growth Tech Limited.
It not only allows them to go on social media, but also being able to create employment opportunities for themselves.
The Universal Service Fund provided employment opportunities for 1,000 young persons through the Technology Advancement Program, TAP. The 2015 Cybercrimes Act was also placed under review.
Because as the technology evolves, the act must evolve as well.
At the end of the spectrum, eGov Jamaica Limited launched GovNet in June 2018. GovNet is a secure, wide-area network infrastructure that will link government ministries, departments, and agencies. eGov also unveiled a vehicle registration and a fitness mobile application for Tax Administration Jamaica.
Once persons make the payment for the renewal of your registration, then those documents should be sent to you. Or those documents should be waiting in the tax office for you to come and just pick them up.
In the Ministry's other portfolio, the Science, Technology and Innovation (ST&I) policy was drafted and submitted to Cabinet. The policy seeks to ensure that science, technology, and innovation are integrated into public procedures. $2 million was committed by the Jamaica Medical Cannabis Corporation to undertake a ganja research and development project.
The information or the data that we will gather at the end of the day will be data that cannot be disputed because of a technique that will be used.
Scientists and researchers are now benefiting from the Science Resource Center and Innovation Lab that was opened at the Caribbean Climate Innovation Center in Kingston. And after assuming oversight of the science and technology portfolios during the year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness conducted reviews of all the affiliated boards, along with their systems and procedures.
A useful measure because it has given me the opportunity to delve deeply into the operations of some of our bureaucratic structures.
I am extremely happy to witness the push for increased awareness and participation in science and technology and innovation across the length and breadth of the country.